JCB 56280. The JCB 56280 is a robust telescopic handler designed for heavy-duty applications in a variety of industries, including agriculture, waste management, and industrial applications. Its high lifting capacity and advanced features make it a versatile choice for material handling tasks. Powered by JCB's EcoMax engine, the reach truck delivers high torque at low RPM, improving fuel efficiency and reducing operating costs. Delivers a maximum lift capacity of up to 5.4 tons. Features a regenerative hydraulic system that increases cycle times by up to 19% and reduces fuel consumption by 15%, increasing productivity and efficiency. The JCB 56280 offers 3 driving modes: 2-wheel steering, 4-wheel steering, and corner steering for enhanced maneuverability in a variety of working conditions. The regenerative hydraulic system increases cycle times by up to 19% and reduces fuel consumption by 15%, helping to increase productivity and efficiency. The 56280 Wastemaster version has additional protection features such as a hood and front grille, underbody shield, and fuel tank protector, making it suitable for harsh environments such as waste management. Overall, the JCB 56280 is designed to handle large loads with precision and efficiency, making it a valuable asset in a variety of materials handling operations. Leopard 2A7V. Leopard 2A7V is the latest upgraded version of the Leopard 2 tank line produced by Germany. This is a modernized variant of Leopard 2A7, developed for the German army to improve combat capabilities and adapt to the modern battlefield. Leopard 2A7V is equipped with modular composite armor, improved to increase resistance to armor-piercing bullets and hollow-charge bullets. Active protection system apps can detect and neutralize threats such as anti-tank missiles, along with NBC protection system nuclear, biological, chemical to increase the ability to operate in toxic environments. The vehicle is equipped with an MTU and the 873Ka501 engine with a capacity of 1,500 horsepower, helping the vehicle reach a maximum speed of about 68 kilometers per hour. The improved suspension system helps the vehicle operate well on complex terrain. Leopard 2A7V is equipped with Rheinmetall RH120L 55A1 120mm gun, can fire advanced ammunition such as 11 German marks, 63 German marks, and air explosive programmable ammunition. Digital fire control system can integrate laser-guided ammunition. Leopard 2A7V is one of the most modern tanks in the world today, can confront powerful tanks such as M1A2 Abrams USA, T-90 Emperor Russia, and K-2 Black Panther South Korea. Liebherr LRS log handler. The Liebherr LRS log handler is a line of specialized equipment designed for wood processing. Equipped with a specially designed grab arm, allowing for easy handling of large logs or large volumes of raw materials. The grab arm can be extended with a long reach, making it easy to load trucks or move logs in large spaces. Using a powerful engine, complying with modern emission standards. The LRS log handler is the first choice for handling wood or industrial materials. Aircraft carrier. An aircraft carrier is a large warship that acts as a mobile airport at sea, capable of deploying, operating, and receiving fighter jets. It is the backbone of modern navies, allowing countries to expand their military influence without a land base. With its enormous size, 200 meters minus 340 meters long, and a maximum load of up to 100,000 tons, the flat deck is where aircraft take off and land. The aircraft launch and capture system uses steam or electromagnetic catapults. It can carry from a few dozen to more than 100 aircraft. Nuclear reactors help it operate continuously without refueling. It is the foundation for air power at sea. It can perform missions such as attack, defense, reconnaissance, and logistics support. Modern aircraft carriers are being upgraded with technology such as drones, laser weapons, and advanced defense systems. Therefore, an aircraft carrier is not just a ship, but also a symbol of a country's naval power. Komatsu D475A. Komatsu D475A is one of Komatsu's largest and most powerful bulldozers. Equipped with a Komatsu SA1V1485 engine, 23.15-liter capacity, with a maximum capacity of about 899 horsepower in traction mode. Semi-dozer blade with a capacity of 27 to 45 cubic meters, allowing to move a large amount of material just one stroke. The chassis system is designed to be sturdy, withstand harsh working conditions in mining. The cabin is anti-vibration and anti-noise, providing a comfortable working environment for the operator. With a powerful engine, durable design, and advanced technology, the D475A is considered an indispensable tool in large-scale projects. Transport helicopter. Transport helicopters are propeller-driven aircraft that transport troops, cargo, equipment, and perform logistical tasks. They play an important role in military, rescue, medical, and civilian transportation. Vertical takeoff and landing capability. No runway required, can land on complex terrain. Some types can carry up to 50 soldiers or tons of cargo. Adaptable to many missions, from military transport to rescue and forest firefighting. Average speed can reach 300 kilometers per hour. Flight range from several hundred to more than 1,000 kilometers. Therefore, transport helicopters are the backbone of many military and civilian operations, enhancing mobility and support in all conditions. Slag Taurus P210. Slag Taurus P is a dedicated slag carrier developed by Techenkuro GmbH for efficient and safe slag handling in metallurgical operations. Designed for continuous use 24/7, the vehicle features a special platform design that is particularly efficient in confined spaces, providing flexibility for lifting. The narrow structure allows for optimal operation in confined environments, enhancing maneuverability and flexibility. It is capable of collecting slag bins from a variety of locations, including the ground and existing conveying systems. Equipped with an additional tilting device, the machine can tilt up to 180 degrees, ensuring complete emptying of the slag bin and facilitating overhead deposition. The Slag Taurus series is designed for durability and reliability, incorporating features such as a PLC-based safety system, a telescopic support system with sealed hydraulic cylinders, and a durable articulated steering system using genuine CAT components. These design elements contribute to long vehicle life and low life cycle costs. Electronic warfare. Electronic warfare is the use of electronic signals to control, jam, or destroy enemy communications, radars, and weapon systems while protecting your own. It is an important part of modern warfare, helping to gain tactical advantages on the battlefield. The main tasks of electronic warfare are jamming to paralyze enemy radars and communications, creating fake signals to full navigation systems, using high-energy weapons to destroy electronic equipment such as lasers and microwave weapons, protecting your forces from enemy jamming. Electronic intelligence helps detect and track threats from a distance. In modern warfare, electronic warfare can decide victory or defeat without firing a single shot. Tigercat LS855E. Tigercat LS855E is a multi-purpose logging machine in the famous Tigercat product line. Equipped with Tigercat FPT-67 diesel engine, capacity of about 282 horsepower, durable and sturdy chassis, high load capacity, flexible crane design, can rotate 360 degrees. Bucket is customized for many sizes of wood, suitable for both felling and loading and unloading tasks. LS855E is part of Tigercat's wood processing system, providing high performance, durability, and outstanding flexibility. Army truck. Military trucks are specialized vehicles used to transport troops, weapons, ammunition, and cargo in combat environments. They are designed to operate in difficult terrain, withstand harsh conditions, and can be armored. Good off-road capability, usually with 4x4, 6x6, or 8x8 drive systems, can carry from a few tons to more than 20 tons of cargo. Some types have bulletproof and shrapnel armor. Used to transport troops, transport goods, pull artillery, install weapons. Run on powerful diesel engines, helps to operate durably in combat conditions. Military trucks are the backbone of every campaign, helping the Army maintain combat capability on all terrains. Vermeer SC1052. The Vermeer SC1052 is a heavy-duty stump cutter designed for use in the forestry, landscape, and tree service industries. It is one of Vermeer's largest stump cutters, designed to handle large-diameter stumps quickly and efficiently. The vehicle is equipped with a Caterpillar C4 for diesel engine with a capacity of 115 horsepower, helping to cut stumps quickly, even with hardwoods such as oak, redwood, or acacia. Vermeer's exclusive yellow jacket blade system. Optimized design helps increase cutter life and reduce maintenance costs. Equipped with remote control for increased safety and ease of operation. Smart control panel helps monitor machine status. Rubber track system helps the machine move easily on rough terrain. Replacement parts are easy to find and are well supported by Vermeer, making maintenance easy. Missile vehicle. Missile vehicles are specialized military vehicles for deploying, transporting, and launching missiles. They can carry a variety of missiles, from intercontinental ballistic missiles to air defense missiles, cruise missiles, and multiple launch rocket systems. Nuclear deterrence. Mobile ICBM systems help maintain nuclear strike capability. Strategic offensive. Cruise missiles can hit important targets from a distance. Air defense. SAM systems protect against airstrikes. Fire support. LRS help put strong pressure on enemy forces with wide area firepower. Missile vehicles are a key force in modern warfare, helping countries maintain military superiority on all fronts. Bobcat S510. Bobcat S510 is a skid-steer loader in Bobcat's S-Series, featuring compact size, flexible operation, and strong lifting capacity. This is a popular choice for construction, agriculture, gardening, landscaping, and warehousing. Equipped with Bobcat D2 engine, 49 horsepower. Meets Tier for final emission standards, no DPF filter required, reducing maintenance costs. Rated lifting capacity, 860 kilograms, maximum lifting height up to 0.9 meters, suitable for dumping materials onto trucks. Radial lift lifting mechanism, optimized for jobs requiring longer horizontal reach. Skid steer system helps turn around in tight spaces. Can be equipped with joystick control for more precise operation. Closed cabin, air-conditioned, air suspension seat helps reduce vibration, increase comfort. Width of only 1.6 meters, easy to move through narrow aisles. Weight about 2.8 tons, can be transported by small trailer. Can be connected with more than 40 types of accessories, including bucket, drill, wood clamp, concrete sprayer, grass rake. Military drone. Military drones are unmanned aircraft that do not require a pilot, used for reconnaissance, surveillance, attack, and electronic warfare. They play an important role in modern warfare, helping to reduce risks to humans and increase combat effectiveness. Military drones include four types. First is reconnaissance and surveillance, collecting real-time data on the battlefield. Second is precision strike, destroying targets with low risk. Third is electronic warfare support, jamming enemy air defense and communication systems. Fourth is asymmetric warfare. Low-cost UAVs help weaker armies deal with stronger opponents. Military drones are changing the way war is fought, becoming an indispensable part of every modern campaign. Peecon Gull Wing. Peecon Gull Wing is a self-propelled tank truck specially designed for the agricultural industry. The wing-shaped opening mechanism allows easy access to the tank interior or internal components when needed. The material and structure of the frame ensure durability in harsh working conditions. Used for transporting liquid or organic fertilizers, supplying water to farms or fields. Multiple rocket launcher. Multiple rocket launchers are weapon systems capable of firing multiple rockets at the same time to destroy targets over a large area. This is an important weapon in modern warfare, helping to destroy fortifications, armored vehicles, and enemy bases in just a few seconds. The role of LRS in modern warfare is wide area attacks, destroying enemy troop concentrations in just a few seconds. Destroying fortifications and armored vehicles, high explosive rockets can penetrate fortified targets. Quick strike tactics, high mobility help LRS finish firing and retreat quickly. Precise attacks with guided ammunition, modern systems such as HIMARS can hit important targets from a distance. Multiple rocket launchers are powerful weapons on the battlefield, helping to overwhelm the enemy with powerful firepower and high mobility.
Bye bye.